Okay, I'm getting ready to solder two wires together, and I got all my supplies here. Okay, and the first thing you do is take a wire and you splice it about 1/2 inch on each side. Okay, and you take each end and you wrap it like that to make it smoother when they connect. Like that. Okay, next you take your heat shrink tubing and then you put it on one side like this, and then you get the two wires and you wrap them together like this. Okay, by doing it like this, you're ensuring that you're going to have a good solid connection. Okay, just like that. Now you take some flux and you put it over your connection right here. Okay, I'm going to just use a Q-tip right here. Put a little dab of it on there. Not too much, just a little. Then you get your solder. Okay, I got my solder ready. And you get your heat gun. I got my heat gun ready. And you heat it up first with the solder iron, just to heat it up. Now don't worry about that, that's just the flux getting hot. That's what it's supposed to do. Now you put your solder on, just a little bit at a time. You put the iron down at the bottom of the wire and put your solder on the top. Okay, you don't have to use a whole lot of solder to get a good connection. Okay, that should be enough right there. Let that cool off. Check and see if I got a good connection. Okay, it is. I got a real good connection. So then after that, you get your wrapper right here and you put it on, and I use a lighter or whatever to just light the bottom. And you just light enough to where it, not to burn it all the way in, but just as long as it's tight enough on the wire to where it'll be tight enough. Okay, and you wait a few minutes and let that cool down. And that's it. You got a real good connection.